Some people still think AI is just a tool. They're wrong. It's already replacing people. And not just low-skill jobs, I'm talking about jobs that used to pay 6 figures. Gone. In this video, I'll show you 3 real high-paying jobs that AI is replacing right now. You won't like the third one. Let's start with copywriters. Used to be, if you could write a clean sales page or email sequence, you were set. $5,000 per project, 10K retainers. Now, tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT can write better and faster for less than $50 a month. Companies are cutting entire marketing teams, and agencies, they're quietly swapping human writers for prompts and polishers. Number 2, customer support managers. Not reps, managers.
Yeah, you've got to be kidding me. I can't believe you're laying me off.
Why? Because AI doesn't just answer questions anymore. It analyzes patterns, flags bottlenecks, and builds training guides. Tools like Intercom, Tidio, and Forethought are replacing whole layers of middle management. And businesses love it. No salaries, no sick days, no excuses. But here's the big one. Legal assistance. For years, law firms paid $80 to $120K a year for someone to summarize documents, review contracts, and prep case files. AI can now do it in seconds. Tools like Spellbook, Harvey, and even GPT-4 are already used in real legal workflows. One firm cut their paralegal team in half and kept the same output. So if you're in one of these jobs, what now? Panic? No. But ignore this and you're setting yourself up to be replaced, if not now, soon. The people who survive this shift won't be the most experienced. They'll be the most adaptive. Learn to work with AI or risk being outrun by it. And if you think that's dramatic, wait until you see the job AI is coming for next. Hit subscribe and we'll show you exactly how far this goes.